Having the right action camera can completely change your shooting experience. And in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best action cameras so you'll never have to suffer through shaky footage and blurry images again. The only issue is that a camera might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most cameras are not made with the same person in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect action camera for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. First on my list is the GoPro HERO11 Black, my choice for the best overall action camera. Now, if you're looking for a powerhouse camera with all the latest features to capture your extreme adventures, the GoPro HERO11 might just be the one for you. It's got an awesome sensor that can capture 5.3K video and photos up to an incredible 27 megapixels. So you get crisp and ultra sharp footage that looks great even on a big screen. It also does 8x slow motion at a stunning 2.7K to catch details that can't be seen at normal speed. Plus, you can screen grab stunning 24.7 megapixel stills from that video. The HERO11 is a real star when it comes to shooting stable footage. With its Emmy-winning HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization technology, it uses advanced algorithms to determine the level of video stabilization you need based on your speed and movement to give you the smoothest, widest shots possible. So you can bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park, even the shakiest footage comes out smooth. The HERO11 has a super practical design with the camera buttons built right into the grip for easy one-handed control. It has flip-out tripod legs for stable shots, and you can remove the grip and control the camera from a distance. The camera is also rugged and waterproof at up to 33 feet without needing a separate housing, so you can take it with you when you go swimming, diving, or surfing. Another great feature of the HERO11 Black is its 2.27-inch touchscreen display. You can use its intuitive interface to control the camera, preview footage, and even edit your videos right on the camera. GoPro offers an optional subscription that gets you unlimited cloud backup and automatic uploads among other features, so that's something to consider. The GoPro HERO11 is the best overall action camera on the market right now. It produces amazingly crisp videos and photos, its stabilization feature is outstanding and award-winning, and it's well designed to easily record all the action. Next on my list is the DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2's design is its standout feature. It's incredibly small at 1.5 inches squared and very lightweight. Its innovative magnetic design allows you to switch out accessories really easily. With the magnetic lanyard and magnetic headband, you can wear the lightweight Action 2 on your head or chest to capture footage as you go. Its magnetic mount also allows you flexibility without having to fiddle with screws or other attachments. The DJI Action 2 is robust and waterproof. It can handle depths of up to 33 feet and almost 200 feet when paired with its waterproof case. So overall, this camera is as tough as some of the terrain you may tackle. When it comes to features, the Action 2 has a 1-inch by 1.7-inch CMOS sensor with 12 megapixels that can shoot in 4K at 120 frames per second. That means you can capture stunning footage in high resolution and in slow motion. And with its rock-steady electronic stabilization technology, your footage will come out smooth and steady even if you're moving around a lot. Action 2's ultra-wide 155-degree field of vision lets you capture more of your surroundings as you explore. The Action 2 is supported by the DJI Mimo app, where you can capture, edit, and share the highlights of any adventure. It also uses its AI editor to automatically select and combine your epic moments with flawless transitions and upbeat music. With its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily connect to your phone or tablet and live stream your adventures to your friends and family. It's perfect for sharing your experiences in real time, whether you're hiking, biking, or surfing. Overall, the DJI Action 2 is an amazing action camera that's perfect for capturing your adventures. With its small size, high-quality sensor, and modular magnetic design, it's definitely worth checking out. Next on my list is the Insta360 X3, my choice for the best 360 action camera. The Insta360 X3 is an epic action camera that makes shooting high quality in 360 degrees both easy and fun. The standout feature of the X3 is its 360-degree camera capability. It has two 1/2-inch 48 megapixel sensors that capture outstanding clarity and detail, even in low light. With the X3, you can capture 5.7K 360-degree active high dynamic range video and 72 megapixel photos, 8K time lapses, and more. The camera has impressive stabilization and horizon leveling, so you get smooth and steady footage no matter what activity you're doing. You can use the X3 in single lens mode and get maximum resolution with 4K 30 frames per second, or else a wide 170-degree field of view with 2.7K max view. This camera does a terrific job on your first-person view footage. The X3 has an amazing me mode, which fixes the frame to focus on you. Capture yourself without the selfie stick at 60 frames per second for amazing slow-mo. No need to reframe, just keep yourself in the frame and the camera does the rest. Plus, it creates what looks like an impossible third-person view. It does it by making the selfie stick totally disappear from your shots, so it looks like it's been shot by a drone or another person. The X3 also has a range of shooting modes that make it incredibly versatile. You can use it as a traditional camera, but it also has a time-lapse mode, a slow-motion mode, and even a bullet time mode. Another great feature of the X3 is its AI-powered app, which makes it easy to edit and share your footage. You can even choose your favorite angle after the fact with the easy reframing tools in the app, so you never miss a moment. Overall, the Insta360 X3 is the best 360 action camera out there. It delivers outstanding 360 camera technology and a highly versatile package, has an easy-to-use app, and great stabilization features. If you're in the market for a 360 action camera, this is your best choice. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Next on my list is the GoPro HERO11 Black, my choice for the best action camera for most people. The HERO11 Black combines a choice package of video and photo features in a great value package that makes it the best action camera for most people. The HERO11 Black has a rugged build quality and is really durable. It has a rear touchscreen with touch zoom and a large new front display, which is perfect for vlogging or taking selfies. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can take it swimming or snorkeling without worrying about damage. And the camera itself is small and lightweight, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. The HERO11 Black shoots 5K video and 20 megapixel photos, which means you can capture stunning photos and images with incredible accuracy and detail. And with Hypersmooth 3.0, GoPro's advanced image stabilization technology, your footage will be incredibly smooth even if you're running or jumping. But that's not all. The HERO11 Black and with Time Warp 3.0, you can capture time-lapse footage while you're on the move, making for some really cool and unique shots. The hindsight feature captures up to 30 seconds before you hit record, so you don't miss a moment. And Live Burst takes a flurry of photos 1.5 seconds before and after you shoot. Another great feature of the HERO11 Black is its battery life, which is a healthy 97 minutes, and you can charge it up for about 2 hours with a GoPro dual battery charger. The GoPro Quick app allows you to view and edit your photos and videos and share them easily on your social networks. It's available for both iOS and Android, and it's incredibly easy to use. So there you have it. The GoPro HERO11 Black is an amazing action camera that is the best option for most people. It produces 5K video and 20 megapixel photos, has an easy to use app, and offers a suite of features to more than satisfy most people's needs. Next on my list is the DJI Osmo Action 3. The Osmo Action 3 has a rugged build quality that feels sturdy in your hand. The camera is dust and waterproof up to 52 feet without the case and almost 200 feet with the case. The camera is also very lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around on any adventure. And with up to a 160-minute battery life and even 150 minutes of continuous recording in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, the Action Action 3 video camera was built to go wherever you do. Now, let's get into the camera's key features. The Osmo Action 3 has a 12 megapixel camera sensor that can shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second. It also features HDR video that allows for more vibrant and dynamic footage. The Action 3's built-in stabilization system called Rocksteady is one of the best in the business, producing incredibly smooth footage even in the most challenging environments. Another great feature of the Osmo Action 3 is its dual screen design. Not only does it have a front-facing screen for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, but it also has a larger back screen for framing shots and reviewing footage. It also has a range of creative shooting modes, including time-lapse, hyperlapse, and slow motion. These modes are perfect for capturing unique and creative footage that stands out from the crowd. It has a handy quick-release mounting design that lets you quickly mount the Action 3 camera on all of your favorite gear, even vertically for added options in your shooting. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is a fantastic action camera that ticks all the boxes. It has a rugged and durable design, exceptional video and photo quality, and a range of creative features. Whether you're an adventurer, vlogger, or just someone who loves to capture memories, the Osmo Action 3 is a great choice. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.